everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sam Smith, and in this video, we are doing an NHL goal horn ranking. Yeah, so in this one, we are ranking the NHL goal horns in the 2021 season. There are 31 horns here. With goal horn and song, we'll only play a few seconds of the song because, you know, we can't really play all the song, obviously. So, let's get into it. All the credit is in the description down below. Shout out to Czech Hockey Goal Horns on YouTube. I'll leave his link in the description down below. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Here is Carolina's horn. I'm not screen recording, I'm just gonna see you're gonna see my full face. Here is Carolina's horn. Why is Ric Flair? Woo! Okay. The horn and the song both suck. Why is Ric Flair there? Woo! Nature Boy. But hey, that's okay. We're gonna rank these A, B, C, D, F, okay? Carolina, you get a D for the horn and a D for the song because they both suck. Alright? Next one is the Minnesota Wild. Here's Minnesota. Why are you using jump around? Jump around. Jump around. What? Jump around. Where's crowd chant? This is not a good goal song. Okay? The horn is loud, but I like it personally. The horn gets a B. The song gets an F, because jump around is not a hockey song. It's like a college basketball student section pump up. Here's the New York Islanders. I like this horn. It's a good one. Now, crowd chant, that's a good goal song. The horn's good, the song's good, you guys both get a B. Oh, I know what's coming next. Here's Chicago. Chicago. You guys get an A for the horn, A for the song. I'm sorry, I don't like the Blackhawks, but Chelsea Dagger by the Fratellis is one of the best goal songs in hockey, and that thing that I just did, the University of North Dakota, they use this goal song, and they have a thing where they put their they do like a dance with their fingers and whatever. It's actually kind of funny and kind of weird at the same time. So first A's go to Chicago Blackhawks because this horn is great. The song is fantastic. Next one is the Anaheim Ducks. Here's Anaheim. What is that song? Whoa, what? What is that? And then the horn, I can barely imagine. I can only imagine. I mean, that's why I can't hear the horn at Ducks games, because it's low. Whenever I'm watching the Ducks play at home, the game's I can't even hear the horn when they score. Now it makes sense. F and F. What is that song? Whoa, what is that? Turn this down. Alright, the Flames, they have a great horn. I like their horn. It's loud, but I like it. And TNT by AC and DC, not bad because they're the Flames. And AC and DC, alright. AC/DC, they're TNT, one of the most iconic songs. I like this. I'm going to give it a solid B for the horn and a B for the song. Not too bad. Next one is the Washington Capitals. Oh dear. F for both. You want to know why? That damn siren. I hate it. I've always hated it. I always thought it was one of the most annoying things in all of hockey. It sounds like you're in a freaking police. Uh-oh, here come the police. They're gonna come and get you. Good lord, I hate this. And the song, oh, whoa, what is this? What is it? What is it called? Barracuda. Barracuda Dam. That's the name of it. It's called Dam. Good lord. Here's Dallas. What in God's name is this? Dallas Star. What? Their horn's fantastic, alright? I'll give their horn a B. Their song, D, because that sucks. Here's Columbus. Oh, they're the one with the cannon. Okay, well, you can barely hear the cannon, but there's a cannon. Whoa! Horn, C, because that horn is broken. The cannon is fantastic. I don't see the point of having it, but I do like it. And then, the song's great. Whoa. And then you have the For Those About to Rock, Fire, Boom. You know, I like that. This is good. So the song gets an A, the horn gets a C. Here's the Bruins. We all know this one. We all know the Bruins, right? Oh. One of the best horn song combos in the entire league. A for the horn, A for the song. That's no bias, that's just straight up facts. And if you disagree, you're nuts. Next is the Florida Panthers. What is that? I can barely hear it. Too long. There's an actual panther! I like that. The horn went way too long, so I don't like that. The song's okay. Whoa. It sounds right out of an NHL, like, 04 video game, something like that. Horn gets a D. It's okay. It's not great. The song is fine. Gets a C. And then the growl gave it a C. It was going to be a D before. So Florida, get a better goal song and shorten the goal horn blast, please. Next is Vancouver. Alright, the song is great. I'll give the song an A. The horn gets a B because it's not the best horn, but it's a good horn. You know what I mean? Next is Arizona. Oh. Okay. Arizona, they have a good goal horn going here. A great goal horn. I'm glad it's 2 short blasts and not 1 long blast, because if it was 1 long blast, I think my ears would bleed. But it's 2 short blasts, so I can handle it. The howl is great. I like the fact that it's like, baby, I'm howling for you. And then the coyote howl hits. That's great. I like that. Alright, Arizona, you get an A for the horn, A for the song, A for the howl. Arizona's fantastic. Next one is the LA Kings. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, the Kings, their horn's fine. It's a little long, but it's okay. 3 blasts or whatever. I like the fact that they have I love LA, do 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 do. And then they have the hey, 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 hey. I don't mind that. Pretty good. Pretty cool stuff. B for the horn, B for the song. And here's the Pittsburgh Penguins. Okay? If it's 3, it's a 3, it's a C. It is 3. Party Hard's a good one. Song's an A. Horn is a C because of 3 blasts. Would have had an A if it was 1 blast. 2 for B, 3 for C. Carolina, Pittsburgh, you get a C. You get 3 for C. 3 blasts, C grade. Okay? Next one's the Detroit Red Wings. Yeah, it is a celebration for the Red Wings when they actually score a goal because they don't do it much. Red Wings, this is a good horn. There is a siren, apparently, because somebody's saying in the comments there is a siren. I don't see why there would be a siren, but that's okay. And the horn's fine. It wasn't as good as it once was. Song gets an A, horn gets a C, and the fact that it's a siren already makes it an F, so F for the siren. So here are the St. Louis Blues. When the Saints go marching in, what was it? When the Blues go marching in? Oh boy. Okay. All right. That second song's fine. It made it a C because F because why the hell is there a goal song in Oregon? All right. So C because it brought up 2 grades because that's a good song, good second song. Horn gets a C as well, so it's a C average. It's all right. Next is the Ottawa Senators. Oh God, cover your ears. Oh. Oh my God. Song gets an A, horn gets a C, because that horn is way too annoying. Song gets an A because it's called Song 2 by Blur, if you were wondering. That's what it's called. Next one is the Oilers. Okay. Okay. It's Hell Yeah by Rev Theory. Alright, I don't mind this. Give me a hell. Sorry. I was rocking out to that song. This song's great. Horn's fine, it's a B. Song's an A, because, like, just for 2 words. 3 words. Oh, hell yeah. I mean, you know, come on. That's a great song. That's fine. Buffalo. It's Sabres. Alright. Song's great. Not a hockey song. That's an F. Horn's an A. So, in the middle, it averages it all out to a C. Alright. Next one's the New Jersey Devils. Interesting one. Alright, Siren. Nope. Siren makes the horn an F. Oh, the actual horn itself is a C. Averages out. Okay, D. D horn, B song. Alright. Here's Winnipeg. I don't mind this. No, siren. I heard the siren at the end. No. We don't mess with that. A horn, F siren, C horn. Okay, C in total. Song, that's a B. Alright, it's a good song. Next is Vegas. Oh, dear God. Okay. Okay. Vegas A and A, simply because Vegas Lights works because it's Vegas and Vegas is a party town and like it's not necessarily a hockey song, but there's one special I'll take a special exception. Vegas is a party town. Vegas Lights, it's a party song. I don't mind this, and the horn's fine. The horn's fine too. That's good. Nashville. Okay. Okay, that works because it's Nashville, country town. Basically, the heart and soul of country music. That works. It's a bad rendition of Goal on the Ceiling. A for the horn, B for the song. Not terrible. Here are the New York Rangers. Here's the New York Rangers. Alright. B horn, because it's a recording, obviously, because I've never heard a horn like that in my life. A for the song, because that's a good song. Alright. Next up, the Colorado Avalanche. Ugh. What is that horn? And there's a siren, F, and C. No. Oh, that's lightning. That's Tampa Bay Lightning, alright? Oh. Alright. Horn. The horn gets an A, because I like the lightning, that's a good feature. The song gets a B. The reason why? Not the catchiest song. But that's okay, because it works. Oh, there's two that aren't here. Okay, there's 29 out of 31. We can listen to the other two. We'll put 2 and 2 together. We'll figure out who the other two are. Here's Toronto. Well, you got that might be hard to handle. Alright. That song is fine, alright? It's not a hockey song in the least, but it somehow works. Because Toronto, they have a good horn and a decent song. A for the horn, B for the song. I hate liking anything that has to do with the Leafs as a Bruins fan, but I respect that horn in the song. Here's the Flyers. Ooh. Too long. Alright, this is not... Okay. Philadelphia. Here's my problem. This sounds like music you could probably hear in the middle, after a whistle. This is not a hockey goal song. I'm glad they're not using the club music anymore. That music sucked. But, you can use something else. You can use the... any other song besides this. It just sounds like music you'd hear during the middle of a commercial. There's no reason for the crowd to start cheering. There's just like, oh, alright, goal, yay. You know? The other two are the Sharks and the Canadians. The two we didn't hear. So we'll look up another one here. Hold on. 2021 goal horn. So, here goes nothing. Okay. Alright. Dun 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 dun. That works. I'm surprised their song isn't Baby Shark.
Boy, if you don't get...
But, the Shark's horn. I like the horn. It's a little too long for me, but that's okay. The last one, brace your ears. Here's the Montreal Canadiens. Oh. My God. And this is long, too. This is not like a short horn. Seconds! Oh, Sharks' horn was A and A. This F and F, because I hate Montreal. Their horn is so damn annoying. Alright? Okay. So, by the way, that horn kind of sounds like this. It sounds like you're in traffic, and all you hear is, you're honking the horn at somebody. That's what that sounds like. It is absolutely one of the worst goal horns, actually the worst goal horn I've ever heard in my entire life. Montreal, please get a different goal horn. Thank you very much. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Follow my Instagram. And with that being said, have a great day, y'all. See ya.